All right, boys and girls, here we are, November Daily Math Day 5. We're going to write some numbers. We're going to do 10 less and 10 more. So there's 1 10 less. So 1 less than 6 is a 5. 1 10 more than a 6 is a 7. The 8 stays the same. The 4 stays the same for both. Okay? All right, now 4, 6, and a 5. What is the largest number you can make using these 3 digits? So we're going to start with the largest digit in the hundreds, the next largest digit in the tens, and the smallest digit in the ones. All right, 9 baby owls were sleeping. They each slept for 5 hours. How many hours did the baby owls sleep all together? All right, so this is a 9 times 5 problem, right? So if you remember, our 9 times 5, we're going to count over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to fold that down. Okay, I'll go like this for you. Is that better? So our tens are 4 tens and 5 ones. 45 hours. 9 times 5 equals 45. All right, here we go. We have a part whole, except we're missing a part. So we're going to do 220. To figure out what number goes there, we have to subtract that number. So we're going to take 220. We're going to subtract 153. So there's more on the floor. We have to borrow from next door. Cross out the 2, make it a 1. And we're going to pull that 10 over to our ones column. Now we have 10 minus 3, which is 7. Okay. Now we're going to have more on the floor. We got to borrow from next door. 11 minus 5 is 6. And there is our answer. 11 minus 5 is 6. And let's continue on. Yes, there would be plenty of those. Here we are. We are at this one. Part whole. 220 minus the 153. 10 minus 3 was 7. We had to borrow a second time, which makes 11 minus 5, 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. We don't need to worry about that. So our number is 67. All right, now we're going to count the number of squares in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number of rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the area equals 8 times 5. Now, I know we just did that problem. 8 times 5. Didn't we? I swear we just did that somewhere. 8 times 5. Well, 8 times 5. Oh, there it was, right there. Remember this one right here? That is 8 times 5 equals 40. All right, so 40 squares. So we go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So 40 squares. All right, boys and girls, thank you much, and we will see you tomorrow.